So now I'm going to show you how to work the purl stitch. So I've just finished a row of knit and all of my stitches are on the right hand needle. So all we need to do to start is just swap your needles over so that all your stitches are now on the left hand needle. And to begin with a purl stitch, we're going to go from right to left through the stitch. So you literally just get your stitch and you put your right hand needle from right to left. Now we're just going to take the yarn and we're going to go over from right to left to create that loop. Then we're just going to push that loop through and keep your stitch needle at the front, and we're just going to push that off. So again, you just take your needles and you go from right to left through that stitch, wrap your yarn over from right to left, push under the stitch on your left hand needle, and then just push that stitch off your left hand needle and it goes back onto your right. So again, we're just going to go from right to left, wrap the yarn over from right to left again, push underneath the loop on the left needle, and then take that stitch back over to the right. I'm just going to continue all the way along. Just got our last stitch, so remember, just from right to left, wrap round, and then just push that last stitch off your needle, and there we have a row of pearls.